pretty neat. First time I've ever seen one of these in the wild. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here in Western Newfoundland. Blue skies, the wind's blowing. So me and my buddy Glenn, who you've seen on the channel before, are gonna head into Goose Arm and fish a pond I never fished before. It's the middle of summer, days are hot, and fishing's a bit slow, but we're gonna try our luck and see if we can get on a couple trout. I got the kettle net brought, and if the wind stays up like this, and as the night goes on, I'll probably make a cup of coffee in there. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I hope you enjoy. Well, me and Glenn are in here to this pond. Apparently there's a little brook that flows out down the shore this way. So I'm gonna head down there now. I got the orange and gold on, and I'm gonna see if we can get a few trout on the board. Beautiful country in here. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Pitcher plants are in full bloom. What? Holy smokes, no way. Now, this is the first time I've ever actually seen a moose shed in the wild. They're pretty hard to come by. This one here's been here for a while. Looks like he's been chewed up. But that is a pretty interesting find. Actually would have been like this. That would have been the brow tines, and the palmage was up here. Looks like a decent little bull. It's pretty neat. First time I've ever seen one of these in the wild. But in Newfoundland here, there's actually permits you gotta have to collect sheds, and we're just gonna let this one lay. But pretty cool. Whoa! Nice. Tight. So yeah, fishing's pretty slow. I think we're gonna head back and try with this lake flows out. Probably going to boil the kettle and have a quick cup of coffee and just enjoy the rest of the evening. Pretty cool. That's the first time I've ever seen a moose shed out in the wild. Awesome. But who knows, maybe when I get a shed hunting permit, come back for that one. I think that there's a lot of moose in these woods. There's a lot of moose. Alright, we're going to try the brook. See if we can get a couple trout on the board. Here used to be an old dam, and this looks like a chute maybe. They used to put the pulpwood down through. Pretty interesting. You can tell it wasn't put there yesterday, but it's pretty cool. Come on. Yeah. Definitely a pan trout. Definitely a pan trout. Alright y'all, that's the first trout of the day. Finally got the skunk off our back. We've been fishing for a while and nothing, and finally we got one. So we're gonna let this little guy go since he's our only catch of the day. Well, it was only about 5 minutes ago Glenn had one on right when he was taking his lure out of the water. A trout come for it. We was getting a bit discouraged fishing this pond. It's midsummer, like I said, the weather's warm, so that could affect the fish. But just as it's getting super duckish here, managed to hook the first one of the night. So with any luck, we'll get another one. Holy smokes, I got a trout. I do too. What? I got another one. He's a smaller one, but I never even knew I had an on. Alright y'all, another beauty trout, and he gone. Alright y'all, well that does it for another video. I managed to get out and fish this pond I never tried before. Glenn obviously tried it, and we managed to haul a few trout out of it. Finding that moose shed was pretty cool. First time that ever happened to me in my life. I know some people go their whole lives without finding sheds, but that was pretty cool. So it looked like a big bull, and we had a nice little mug up. So it was a great day out, beautiful evening, the wind was up, and we had awesome time fishing. So thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.